Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to connect Dreamy D20 Plus to Wi-Fi. The first part of this video will be for those that haven't connected their robot yet and want to do it for the first time. And then at the end of this video, I'll show you how to connect to another network if you already are connected to a network and want to add another one so the robot can automatically switch between them in case you have a large home and the robot loses connection and you want it all the time because you have several networks at home anyway. So let's begin with the first thing, which is turning on the robot. For the first method, for those that haven't yet used it, you just press and hold on the power button located right here. Mine is already on. If it doesn't turn on, slide the robot into the charging station. Make sure the front goes in and not the back. Okay, now it's charging because the lights have changed. And now we'll need to get the app on our phone. It's called Dreamy Home and it's available for both iPhones and Android phones. Now, as you can see, once you sign into the app, into Dreamy Home, you can either scan a QR code under the lid of the robot or add it from a list. I'll add it from a list because in case you don't have a QR code, I'll just show you how to do it. But if you have a QR code, you can just scan it with the scan option in the app. Now let's go to D20 series and select D20 Plus. Now the robot is on, so let's select the checkbox and click on next. Now we'll need to press and hold on both buttons on top of the robot in order to put it in network configuration mode. Press on both at once for 3 seconds until you hear the prompt.
Waiting for the network configuration.
Now I can select that I have heard the prompt and I can click on next. Then you need to connect to a Wi-Fi network and your phone needs to connect to the network. Then enter the password. Now it is very important about the network that it has to be a 2.4 gigahertz network. Which means that if you have just one network at home, it will be fine. But if you have multiple ones and if some of them have similar name but some of them say 5G at the end, then those won't work because these are 5 gigahertz networks and you need a 2.4 gigahertz network, which often doesn't say anything like that, doesn't say 2.4, it just doesn't say anything like 2.4 or 5G, or just says 2.4, and it's often at the end of the network name. So yeah, it's just that if one of the networks doesn't work, then you may want to try a different one because 5 gigahertz is not supported on most smart home devices, including this one. Once you enter the password to the network, then you can click on next so it can be sent to the robot. Now it'll tell you to click on device hotspot connection and you'll need to connect to the hotspot of your robot. So once I click on it, it'll get me to the settings. And in the settings, I can go to Wi-Fi and now select the Dreamy Vacuum network.
Robot and phone connected.
Now I can go back to the Dreamy Home app. And as you can see, it is currently connecting. It won't take long. Just give it a moment, be patient with it. And it's done. Let's click on next. Now you can rename your robot and click on finish. Then it's done. I'll agree to the privacy policy and yeah, that is basically it for the first thing that I wanted to show you, which is connecting to the network for the first time. Now one more thing is connecting to several networks. Once you are already connected, you will need to click on 3 dots in the top right corner and now go to the, hold on, I think it is in more functions. Yes, in more functions, in Wi-Fi management, Wi-Fi list, And now you can add another network by clicking on plus, connecting to that other network, entering its password and saving the Wi-Fi. Then the robot will know multiple networks and will be able to switch between them. In case it loses connection from one of the networks, it will just try connecting to the other one. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.